Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be creating Instagram landing page from scratch and we will be using two fonts for this project. Open Sans as default and Pacifico for the Instagram logo. I have already recreated this image using Photoshop. You can download the source code from GitHub. I will provide you the link in the description. Let's start. Go to fonts.google.com and select Open Sans and Pacifico. Select a font weight 400 and 600 for Open Sans and copy the styles into your CSS file. For body, I will be using font family Open Sans, and for the H1 tag, Pacifico. The images we need to create this project are in the images folder. Create a base boilerplate template using exclamation mark and press tab. Open the project with live server, and if you don't have live server, go to extensions and search for live server. Once you install this, you can see go live option here, or you can right click on the HTML file and select open with live server. Once you select the option, you can see our project here, and if we make any changes, you can see the changes on save here. Here we have our main section and our footer section, and in our main container we have two sections, one for image and one for form. I will create a basic HTML structure first. And in the image section, we need to place our main image. And for the login section, we have three containers, and two of them have background color white and border. I'll be named white BG. And in the first container, we have our heading tag, two forms, two inputs, a disabled button, this OR section, login with Facebook, and forgot password. The first input type is text and the second input type is password. And for the submit button, I will name it submit BTN, and it's in disabled state. For that we have an attribute called disabled. And the text inside the button is login. Next we need to create this OR with two horizontal bars. I will give our div class name OR, and inside that p tag will contain our text and span tag for the horizontal line, or we can use before and after also. Now for this one, these two are links, so it must be inside the anchor tag. For the first one, I will give class name FB login, and second one forgot login. In the FB login anchor tag, we have Facebook logo and text. And for forgot login, we have only a text. Our first white BG contents are finished. For second one, we have a text and an anchor tag. Now for our last container in our main, we have plain text and 2 images inside anchor tag. I will give class name getApp for the container. These 2 anchor tags are in horizontal line, so we will need to give flex properties later. And for our footer, we have 2 rows. The first row contains anchor tags and second row contains a select dropdown and a plain text. For the first row contents, I will use ordered list, and inside the list I will use anchor tags. Copy and paste the text inside the anchor tag. And for the second line, first we have a select tag and then plain text. These values are inside the option tag. The first option tag value will be displayed here. Give some other options also. And for the plain text, I will use small tag. Our HTML is finished. Now we need to style this page. For that, first I will include our CSS file inside our head. You can see the changes in our page font. First I will override the padding and margin value given by our browser and give box sizing border box. Body does not have scroll in the Instagram landing page. Here you can see that our main contents and the footer contents are in the center, so we can use flex properties with the flex direction column to display like this. And if we give margin auto for the main tag, it will come to center. For our images, I will give max width 100%. And for the anchor tags, we don't need the underline. Text decoration must be none. For our main contents, they are inside row tag and the two sections are side by side. I will give 55% width for our image section and 45 for the login section. And for our white BG containers, we need to give background color, border, some padding, and the contents are in center. I will use flex center properties to make the contents in center and flex direction column. For our input, we need to give 100% width, some padding and margin, background color, border radius, font color, and font size. We need to give placeholder for the inputs. For the first one, phone number, username or email, and for the second one, password. Now for our button, we need to make it 100% width. Change the background color, font color, font weight, padding, margin, and text in center with no border and some border radius. Now for the OR, we have a paragraph tag for OR and span tag for our horizontal line. We can use display flex and make the content in center to get the style. And now for our two anchor tags. First one have class FB login and second one have the class forgot login. We need to reduce the size of the image and give some space between the image and the text. Now for the text, we need to reduce the size, change the font color and increase the font weight. And our forgot login, we need to reduce the font size and change the font color. We need to give margin top for this container and this container. I will create a class empty and give margin top 16 pixels. And now I will assign this class for these containers inside our HTML. And for our second WhiteBG contents, we need to reduce the font size and give some space between the plain text and anchor tag and change the color of anchor tag and increase the font weight. And for the last container in our main contents, we need to align the text at center and these two horizontal lines side by side. Now for our footer elements, we need to remove the list style type, make it in a center in horizontal line and change the color. For the anchor tags, we need to change the color, make it capitalize and reduce the font size. And for the select tag, we need to remove the background color and border and outline, give some margin and change the font color. Now to make the main content in center, I'll give margin auto for our main tag. Our Instagram landing page is now complete. I will be uploading videos like this every Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Subscribe my channel if you like this video and want more videos like this. For now, bye guys.